old is gold, and the 1969 Mercury Cougar GT is a perfect example of timeless automotive excellence. This classic muscle car embodies power, luxury, and performance, making it a true icon of its era. With its long, sculpted body and aggressive stance, the Cougar GT commands attention wherever it goes. The hidden headlights, chrome-accented grille, and bold racing lines give it a distinctive and elegant presence, while the deep metallic green paint shimmers under the sunlight, enhancing its muscle car appeal. The 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels, flared fenders, and dual exhaust tips complete its bold look, making it a head-turner on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted with a blend of classic luxury and vintage performance. The black leather bucket seats with green contrast stitching provide comfort and style, while the wood grain dashboard and chrome-accented center console reflect the premium craftsmanship of the late 60s. The three-spoke steering wheel with the Cougar emblem, retro analog gauges, and classic AM/FM radio transport you back in time, while the plush carpeting and Cougar GT branding on the door panels add to its high-end feel. Every detail, from the toggle switches to the polished gear shifter, reminds you that this car was built for both performance and sophistication. Under the hood, the heart of this beast is the legendary 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 320 horsepower and 427 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 4-speed manual or automatic transmission, this powerhouse delivers an exhilarating driving experience, roaring with raw muscle car energy. The Holley 4-barrel carburetor, heavy-duty suspension, and limited slip differential ensure top-tier performance, while the deep growl of the dual exhaust echoes the untamed spirit of American muscle. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, the Cougar GT delivers a thrilling ride with every push of the pedal. As for the price, a well-maintained 1969 Mercury Cougar GT can range from $40,000 to $80,000, depending on its condition, originality, and restoration level. Pristine, fully restored models with matching numbers and rare factory options can even exceed $100,000 at auctions, proving that classic muscle cars are not just machines, but valuable investments. If you're lucky enough to own one, you have a true piece of automotive history in your hands. If you love classic cars and muscle car content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More exciting reviews, cinematic drives, and powerful machines are coming your way. Stay tuned, and let's keep the passion for legendary cars alive.